How to lengthen and thicken hair in a week. Hair lengthening quickly, using natural and effective ingredients. To prepare the recipe, we need rice. Rice improves damaged hair and treats hair loss. Clean the rice with water. Rice makes hair thick and treats baldness. We need orange peel. Cut the orange peel into small slices. Put the rice in a saucepan. Add orange peel to rice. Add bay leaves. Bay leaves help in increasing hair density. We need rosemary. Rosemary stimulates blood circulation in the scalp. Add 1 tablespoon of rosemary. Add 2 cups of water. Boil the ingredients on low heat. Boil for 15 minutes. Let it cool down. Pour the mixture into a bottle. You can keep the bottle in the fridge. This mixture remains usable for 2 weeks. Before applying the recipe, filter the mixture using a strainer. Now we have a magic solution that thickens hair. It also prevents hair loss. To apply the recipe, we need a spray bottle. Pour the solution into a spray bottle. How to apply the recipe. Spray your scalp with this solution. Spray your hair from roots to ends. Then massage your scalp well with your fingers. Leave this solution on your hair without washing it. This recipe leaves a wonderful scent on the hair. Apply this recipe to your hair daily for 7 days. Your hair will stop falling out forever. Do let me know from which part of world you are watching us. Don't forget to hit the follow yes for more exciting natural beauty remedies like this.